Alright.
Alright, one of one.
Go beyond, we are first. One. Hello. Hey po, I'm Jason. I am Joker.
Hello po, I'm Alpha.
Good afternoon, I'm Ace.
Hello everyone, my name is Max.
Hello, I am Jay, and together we are
First One. Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. Is everyone still energetic right here? Make some noise. They are still. Yes, so thank you very much, of course, Watsons, Praxis, and of course, everyone who made this event truly possible for every one of us today. And for having us, of course, First One, right off the bat, after we came back from the 2025 ASEAN Korea Round Music Festival, it's such an honor and a privilege to be able to come back to our home country, to our home, and to just enjoy this performance today, together with not only Watsons, Praxis, but each and every one of you guys right here, right now. So with that, thank you very much. So, we'd like to welcome and open this day, and welcome you to Watsons Extra Amazing Shopping Playground, where everything is extra fun, extra exclusive, and extra rewarding.
Speaking of Watsons po, share ko lang po. Bago po kami lumipad papuntang Malaysia, sa Watsons po talaga ako nabili ng mga toiletries ko, ng mga maintenance spray, skincare, mga ganun. So, Watsons is the place to be.
And yes, of course, we would like to thank everyone. And if you like our performance, you can always follow us on our social media account at First One Official. That's 1STONE Official. You can follow us on IG and FB, X, and of course TikTok. Yeah.
Yes, and by the way, the song that we just performed earlier is called Alam Mo Ba? And since nandito tayo sa Watsons, and we all know na Watsons is all about self-care and self-love, the song itself also talks about to know your worth, when and where to know your worth. And now down to our last performance.
And for our last performance, this song, sobrang malapit po siya sa amin, sa puso namin. And I hope yun ang din mangyari sa inyo. And this song talks about kung sino talaga yung pipiliin natin.